Students, next topic I will teach you, that is a Python operator, PHP operators. Okay, that is a PHP operators. What and all operators there means? PHP operators, there are 6 operators as having. That is a arithmetic operator, next one assignment operator, then third one comparison operator or relational operator relational operator. Then fourth one increment and decrement operators. Then fifth one logical operators. Then sixth one string operator. So PHP operator, there are 6 operators having. So this operators, what is using means, that is a mathematical calculation and logical operations in programming language. What and all calculate, these all the operators you can use. Okay, good. See here, first of all I will teach you basic one. What is operator? What is operand? So these two things you understand means each and every operator you should be easily understand. So what does that means? Operator means that is a symbols, plus, minus, then asterisk, this and all is there, no, that is called to operator. Operand means what does it means? See here, C is equal to, for example, A is equal to B. So C and A and B, these and all operand. What is operand? Sir, operator means what? This equal and plus is there, no, that is called to operator. So this is a very, very important. So this is a PHP operators. Okay, there is a common concept this. Okay, now I will teach you one by one operator. I will discuss about it. I will teach you, listen carefully. Okay, good. See here, PHP operators, that is a first one, it is a arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator, what is arithmetic operator means? That is a each and every mathematical addition, subtraction, division, then multiplication is there, no, that operator will execute. That is a processed in arithmetic operator. Sir, first operator, what is sir? That is a plus, minus, then what is this? Asterisk, division, then basic, this 4 operator only. Next, modulus. This is a modulus. So each and everything I will give the examples. So this is a arithmetic operator, arithmetic operators. So this arithmetic operator, for example, I will teach you C is equal to A plus B, C is equal to A minus B, C is equal to A asterisk B. So this is asterisk, not saying in star. Okay, then C is equal to A division B, then C is equal to A modulus of B. So this is a addition, subtraction, easily you will, all of them you can know that. Okay, see here, all of you know that, but division also you all of you know that. But modulus means what will coming means, sir, what is a division, what is a modulus? So modulus means, for example, A value 10, B value 5. See, now here operators, C is equal to A modulus of B means, so what result will coming means 0. Sir, what's a 0? Equal means 2 only will coming, no. C is equal to 2 means that is a division operators. Division operators. So modulus will do means, see here, 10, 5. How many times will come? 2 times. 2 times 10. So remainder 0. 10 minus 10, 0. So this is what modulus operator will take the answer. This is what? This is a division operator will take this 2. So this operator you can using means A/B means this answer will come. A modulus of B means C is equal to A modulus of B means, so this answer will come. So this is 0, this is 2. So this is a difference between division and modulus. So this is a addition as usual. C is equal to what is this? 10 plus 5, 15. 10 minus 5, sorry, 10 plus 5, 15. 10 minus 5, 5. Next to 10 asterisk 5 means 50. So this is a normal action. This is the examples. Okay, this is called arithmetic operators with examples. What the purpose of arithmetic operator in PHP language, what and all is there, I will teach you. So these and all you can learn. Sir, next operator what, sir? That is the assignment operator. Assignment operator. Sir, assignment operator means what, sir? Assign means nothing. That is a equal to, is there? No. That is a assign. Assignment operator. This is a default assignment operator. This is a default assignment operators. So these and default assignment operator. Okay, sir. Next what and all is there means these and all, it is a shorthand operator. So shorthand operator means is nothing, sir. That is a see here, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, then slash equal to, then modulus equal to. So this is a, what is this? Assignment operators. So each and everything same only. See here, C is equal to A plus B or C is equal to D. This is a D. So C is equal to A plus B means, that is how to this shorthand means C is equal to that is one example I will teach. C listen. C is equal to C plus B. That is C is equal to C plus A is equal to P. That is the abbreviation for C is equal to C plus P. Your book what example is there means X equal to X plus Y. That is a X equal to X plus Y. This is this thing. Sir, minus how to write means, so X minus equal to Y. That is full form X equal to X minus Y. Next what is this? That is a asterisk. X asterisk is equal to Y. That is a X is equal to X asterisk Y. Division same like. See here. X division is equal to Y. That is a full form what? X equal to X division Y. That is a modulus same. Is equal to X is equal to X modulus of Y. So that is a full form of assignment operator. The same like mathematical operators. Okay, this is a easy one. The followed by arithmetic operator. Same thing, this operators. Followed by assignment operator. So next operator what, sir? Next operator, what is this? Relative operator. Relative operator or comparison operator. Comparison operators. Sir, these and all what operator, sir? These and all what operator means? That is, see here, there is a many operators having, so listen carefully. See, equal means that is a assignment. Double equal means that is a relative operators. That is a relative operator means what does that means? So left side value then right side value you can compare that. In case same means true will come. In case false means, in case not equal to means that false will come. So that is a using for relative operators. So relative operators, it is a see triple equal to is there means that is a identically. So identically means identical operators. This name for identically means that is a same identical. So the left side, right side is there same ditto. Ditto means what? That is the same number. Same number means that is a string also is there, number also is there, same things. Lower case, upper case also is there, no. So that like it is a using for relative operators. Next, exclamation symbol, then equal. This operator is a not equal operator. Not equal operator. So these also not equal. These also not equal. These also not equal. These also not equal. So the both operator, its name for not equal. So this is identically. Sir, exclamation symbol double equal to is there means that is a not identically. Not identically. This is what? That is a identically. Triple equal to is there means identically. Then exclamation symbol, then equal to is there means non-identically. So these and all what is this? Compare the two values. Same means true will come. Is not same means false will come. So that like, so greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These operator also, it is a comparison operators. Comparison operators. This is a string. For example, double quotation. For example, I will teach you 10 equal to 10. Condition is true. True will be answered. For example, Sendil. Double quotation open. Equal. Here Sendil. It is a equal. This is a string operator you can compare. Sorry, in case this is a caps locks. Sendil. This is the same or not? Same, but what is this? That is a letter will be changed. So this is called what? That is a identical operator. Here you can use. Here you can use. So that is a three operators I will teach you. So fourth operator, what does it means? Just I will teach you, listen carefully. Fourth operator, it is a increment operators. There is a increment and decrement operator. The fourth operator, it is a increment and decrement. Sir, increment, decrement operator, there are four operators as having. That is a C here. That is the increment operator, two operators having plus plus. That is a X. Plus plus, then X. Okay. Next, what is this? This is a X plus plus. That is what is this? Here previously will come. This is a afterly will come. This is a prefix. This is a suffix, postfix. That is a prefix. This is a postfix. So this is a prefix increment operator. That is a postfix increment operator. Decrement operator means that is a minus minus X or X minus minus. This is a decrement operator. This is a decrement operators. Okay, this decrement operator, how to do it? Just I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay, sir. Now X value is equal to 7. X value is equal to 7. 7 means, see here, X value is 7. But here what will do means, before one value you can add, here X value is equal to 8. Sir, here value, what does it means? This place value is 7. This x, you can, next place will going means x one value add, after you can sum you can calculate. So prefix means before one value you can add, then assign the answer. Then postfix means that is a after you can assign the value. This x, one more place will go means that place will go. Okay. So this is called what? That is a postfix operator. So decrement operator, one value you can decrement before. This is 6. Here this value 7. So this x value, one more place, this x you can involve means that place 6 will be update. So that is a prefix and postfix increment and decrement operators. So very carefully you can listen the students. So prefix means before one value you can add and store. Then a postfix means that is the after place one value you can add it. So this x, one more place you can using means that place only, that is the x value will be changed. That place what value means 8. So that is a increment decrement operator, that is a difference. So increment and decrement is there. Two types of increment decrement operators there. One is prefix increment decrement, then postfix decrement increment operators there. Okay, prefix means one value before you can add it. Postfix means after one place one value you can add it. Okay. So next topic I will teach you. So next operator I will teach you logical operator. The logical operators, what does it means? That is a logical operator. There are 4 types of operators there. That is a logical operator are combined in the conditional statements. The conditional statements. The logical operator compared to the comparison operator or relative operator also this operator including this expression. So this is a 4 operators there. That operator it is a and symbol and. This operator name and. Or means so this like or operators. This is a exclamation symbol. This is a not operator. This is a XOR operator. XOR operator this like only you can use. So this is a XOR operators. So this operator, that is a each and everything is there. This is a true means, that is a output is true means both x y value are true. Both if true, if the both x and y are true means that is a true. Remaining any one value you can false means that is a false alone. That is a AND operator. OR operator what will do means that is a either one you can true means for x or y, either one is true or both is true means that is a output is true. Output is true. That is a either. This is both. This is what not. Not means if x is true means that is a this get that is a true means that is a result is false. The x is false means that is the opposite value true. So this is a x. Then XOR value what does it means? True. Either or true if either or x or y is a true. Either or a true but both value either or both value if you true means that is a true. In case both value false means that is a false. 1 false means false. So either or, both value is a different means that is a, this is a things. Next I will teach string operator. String operator. The string operator, there are two string operators. Dot. Dot means concatenation. Dot means concatenation. Concatenation means both string you can add it. Both string you can add it. For example, dollar symbol T1 dot dollar symbol T2. There is a both string you can add it. Okay. Next operator, dot equal to. Dot equal to means concatenation and assignment. Concatenation and assignment. Concatenation and assignment. There is a concatenation assignment means there is a dollar symbol T1 colon is equal to dollar symbol 2. So this is what does it means? That is a T2 to appended in dollar symbol 1. This is a T2 to T1. That is a append. Append means you can add it. That is a added. Okay. This is what is this? This is a string operators. This is a string operators. So this chapter is over. I will teach you next chapter next class. Okay. So this each and every headings first of all read. After book back you can complete and show to me. Okay. Thank you students.